Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we will continue chapter 6 division part 2. So students, first we are taking exercise 6.4 question number 1. Write 2 division facts for each multiplication fact. So students, as you can see, some multiplication facts are given in the question and we have to write 2 division facts for this multiplication fact. So how can we find 2 division facts for multiplication fact? These are given in the question. So let's have a look on this board. So students, we are taking A part of question number 1 and A part is 7 multiplied by 8 is equals to 56. And this is a multiplication fact. ये क्या है? एक multiplication fact है that we are multiplying two numbers and we are getting 56. Is it clear students? So how can we find the division fact for this? If I divide 56 which is the product of these two numbers, इन दो number का product है ये 56 and I am dividing this 56 by 7. मैं इसको क्या कर रही हूँ? 7 से divide कर रही हूँ. So now look here. 7 8s are 56 and remainder will be 0. So मुझे क्या मिल गया students? If I divide 56 by this 7, मैंने 56 को 7 से divide किया and I will get answer 8. मुझे ये आंसर मिल जाएगा. Is it clear? Now I am dividing 56 by 8. पहले मैंने 7 से divide किया था. Now I am dividing 56 by 8. So now I will get 7 times 8 7s are 56. मुझे 7 times क्या मिल गया? 56 मिल गया. So what I have observed here, मैंने क्या observe किया? I am getting 2 division facts here and 2 division facts are if I divide this 56 by 7 I will get 8. मुझे ये 8 मिल जाएगा and if I divide this 56 by 8 मैं जब इसको इससे डिवाइड करूंगी then I will get the answer 7. Is it clear students? These are 2 division facts by using this multiplication fact. So now we are taking one more question, B part, and the B part is 9 multiplied by 5 is equals to 45. As you can see, the B part is 9 multiplied by 5 is equals to 45. So now what we have to do? We have to find 2 division facts here. कैसे find करोगे आप 2 division fact? First I will take 45 and I have to divide this 45 by 9. मुझे 45 को किससे divide करना है? 9 से. Then I will get 5 here because 9 5s are 45 and remainder will be 0. क्या किया मैंने 45 को मैंने डिवाइड किया 9 से and I am getting 5. Is it clear? And this is the first division fact. So now what I am going to do now? Now I will divide 45 by 5. पहले मैंने 9 से डिवाइड किया था, मुझे 5 मिल गया था आंसर. Now I am dividing this 45 by 5. अब मैं 45 को किससे डिवाइड कर रही हूँ? 5 से. So now 5 9s are 45. मुझे आंसर क्या मिल गया? 9. This one. Is it clear students? So now the next division fact is 45 divided by 5 is equals to 9. Is it clear students? So now just look here. We have done A and B part. Now the C part is 8 multiplied by 4 is equals to 32. So now how can we find 2 division facts here? We have to divide this 32 by 8 and we will get 4. 32 divided by 8 we will get 4. Now again we are dividing this 32 by 4. पहले हमने 8 से divide कर लिया, अब हम इसको किससे divide करेंगे? 4 से and we will get the answer 8. Is it clear students? In this way students you can do D and E part also. Now we are taking question number 2 and question number 2 is write 2 multiplication facts for each division fact. In question number 1 we have seen 2 division facts for multiplication facts. Now in question number 2 we have to see two multiplication facts for each division fact. Now in this question we can see some division facts given and we have to find two multiplication facts. So we are taking A part students, and the A part is 36 divided by 9 . Question number 2, we are taking A part and the A part is 36 divided by 9 is equals to 4. As you can see divide sign here, this is a division fact and we have to find two multiplication fact for this division fact. So now what we can do, अब मैं क्या observe कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे, just look at this 9. If I multiply this 9 by 4, मैं इस 9 को किससे multiply करूँ, इस 4 से. If I multiply this divisor by this quotient, ये divisor है, this is dividend and the answer, the result of division we know this is a quotient. अगर मैं इस divisor which is 9, divisor को मैं इस quotient से multiply करूँ, 9 4s are 36, I will get the dividend. मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा, dividend मिल जाएगा. So this is a multiplication fact for this division fact. Now the next thing what can I do, मैं next thing क्या कर सकती हूँ, ये एक multiplication fact मुझे मिल गया. Now I have to find second multiplication fact. Second multiplication fact मुझे कैसे मिलेगा, if I multiply this 4 by 9, अब मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, पहले 4 लिख रही हूँ, then I am multiplying this 4 by 9. मैं अब इस 4 को इस 9 से क्या कर रही हूँ, multiply कर रही हूँ. Again I will get the answer 36. Is it clear students? So what are the two multiplication fact for one division fact? The multiplication fact is, if we multiply this 4 by 9 we will get 36, and if we multiply this 9 by 4 again we will get the 36. Is it clear students? So just look here, B part, 42 divided by 6. 42 divided by 6 is equals to 7. So how can we find two multiplication facts? If we multiply 6 by 7 we will get 42, and if we will multiply 7 by 6 again we will get 42. Is it clear students? So students, in this way you can do C, D and E part also. For division fact we can find some multiplication fact. Is it clear students? So now we will see students exercise 6.5. Exercise 6.5 question number 1 is divide using multiplication table. So now students we have to use multiplication table and we have to divide. So A part is 36 divided by 9. So students what we have to do, we have to divide 36 by 9. हमें 36 को 9 से divide करना है. So students हमें 9 का टेबल इतने टाइम्स बोलना है कि हमें क्या मिल जाए, या तो 36 मिल जाए या उससे कोई छोटा नंबर मिल जाए. So just look here, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. So how many times we are getting 36? 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. हमें क्या करना है? We are dividing. This is exercise 6.5, question number 1, and we are taking A part. If we divide 36 by 9, what will be the answer? So the answer will be 4 times we are getting 36. It means the answer will be 4. Is it clear? Now we are taking one more question. B part of this question students. And the B part is 64 divided by 8 is equals to. So students अब हमें 8 का टेबल इतने टाइम्स बोलना है कि हमें क्या मिल जाए, 64 मिल जाए. So as we know 8 8s are 64. So how many times we will get 64? कितने टाइम्स मिलेगा हमें? 8 times. So answer will be 8. We are taking one more question. Question number C. 60 divided by 6 is equals to. Very simple question students. हमें 6 का टेबल इतने टाइम बोलना है कि हमें 60 मिल जाए. So how many times we can get 60? 6 10s are 60. So answer will be 10. So in this way you can use multiplication tables and you can find the quotient. Is it clear, students? So now we will see question number 2. Question number 2 in your book of exercise 6.5. So students, question number 2 is divide using long division method and check your answer. So students, in this question we have to divide two numbers and then we have to check the answer is correct or not. So this is a copy work, students. So look here, question number 2 on page number 83, question number 2, divide using long division method, and we are taking A part of this question. 46 divided by 2. हमें 46 को क्या करना है, 2 से डिवाइड करना है. So students, we have to divide this 46 by 2. So 46 को हम यहाँ लिखेंगे and 2 is divisor and we will write 2 here. The number by which we are dividing, जिस नंबर से डिवाइड कर रहे हो, that will be divisor. The number to be divided, जिस नंबर को आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो, that will be dividend. I have told you in previous video also. So now we have to take first digit, that is 4. अब हमें 2 का टेबल इतने टाइम्स बोलना है स्टूडेंट कि हमें या तो 4 मिल जाए या 4 से कोई छोटा नंबर मिल जाए. So as we know, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So how many times we will get 4? 2 times. So we'll write 2 here and 4 here. So now we have to subtract 4. 4 में से 4 को subtract करेंगे and we will get 0. And now the next digit will come down, that is 6. And how many times we will get 6? 3 times. 2 3s are 6. हमें 3 times क्या मिलेगा? 6 मिलेगा. So students, 3 will write here and 6 will write here and the remainder will be 0. Is it clear, students? So in this question, as you can see, when you are dividing 46 by 2, you will get result 23. Is it clear? Now what is the dividend in this question? Dividend क्या है इस question में? जिस number को आप divide कर रहे हो, that will be dividend and the dividend is 46. And the number by which you are dividing, that will be divisor. So divisor क्या हो गया? Divisor will be 2. जिस number से आप divide कर रहे हो वो divisor हो जाएगा. Now the result of division. The result of division will be quotient और result क्या है? 23. So the quotient is 23 and the remaining number जो end में आपका आंसर रह गया है, that will be remainder and the remainder is 0. Is it clear, students? So now we have to check the answer, this is correct or not. So what we have to do to check the answer, to check the division, we have a formula. Now what is the formula? The formula is dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient. हमें divisor को quotient से multiply करना है और we can do quotient divided multiplied by divisor. हम quotient को divisor से multiply करें या divisor को quotient से multiply करें, these both are same thing, and then we have to add remainder. So students, what is the formula? Dividend is equals to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Is it clear? So now what is the dividend? Dividend is 46. Now what is the quotient? Quotient is 23. So we'll write 23 here. Multiplied by divisor. Now what is the divisor? The divisor is 2. So we'll write 2 here and plus remainder. What is the remainder? As you can see, the remainder is 0. So we'll write 0 here. Is it clear, students? So now we have to multiply 23 by 2. 23 को 2 से हमें क्या करना है? Multiply करना है. So 23 multiplied by 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Answer is 46. Now we have to add 0 to 46. 0 को आप किसी भी नंबर में ऐड करो, you will get 46. And what was the dividend? Dividend क्या था? 46 था, and again we are getting 46. It means 46 is equals to 46. This side is equals to this side. जब हमने इसको पूरा सॉल्व किया हमें आंसर क्या मिल गया? We are getting dividend again. It means our division is correct. Is it clear students? अगर ये दोनों sides equal नहीं होंगी, it means our division is not correct. So to check the division, we have to use this formula. Now what is the formula? Dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient, or you can say quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Is it clear students? And in this way you can check your answer. So students, in this video we have seen multiplication facts, division facts, and how can we divide and how can we check the answer. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.